Gently push the touchscreen to the left to remove it. Press the tab and pull out the connector behind the baffle. After disconnecting the two connectors, carefully pull them out from behind the baffles. Use an H1.5 hex key to remove the for-fixing screws. Please wear insulated gloves before touching the circuit board. Carefully separate the bottom plate and the circuit board. After disconnecting the ribbon cables, replace the screen component. During installation, pay special attention to aligning the ribbon cable to prevent screen burn-in. Close the back panel, adjust the position of the circuit board, and then install the screws. Pass the connectors through the baffle and then insert them into the ports. Gently shift the touchscreen to the right to secure it in place.